What's the meaning of barramundi? Barramundi. Barramundi.
Barramundi. Barramundi. Barramundi is a type of fish that is commonly found in the waters of Australia and Southeast Asia. Its name is derived from an Aboriginal word meaning large-scaled river fish. Barramundi is known for its firm, white flesh and mild flavor, making it a popular choice in many seafood dishes. This fish is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining heart health and reducing inflammation in the body. In recent years, barramundi has become increasingly popular in the culinary world due to its versatility and delicious taste. It can be prepared in a variety of ways, including grilling, baking, or pan-frying.